Hi everybody, welcome to another series of cooking, and today we're going to prepare chicken, greens and ugali. Yeah, so that is what you're gonna prepare today. Let me give you a snippet of the ingredients that I'm gonna use. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna use. I have the greens over here. I have unga, which is kavagara. I have chicken. I have a chicken because I'm alone today. My man is not around. Then we have ginger. These are some of the spices that I'm gonna use. This is salt, royco, chicken masala, MSG. I was introduced to it 2 days ago and I love it. And paprika. Yeah, so thank you for tuning in into my page. If you're seeing this and it's your first time here, I'm Silver Chepkemoi and I am a content creator here in Kenya, and I do lifestyle vlogs, and I'm in a road to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I forgot, I changed my name to Memo Africa. So hi guys, this is Memo Africa because I'm in Africa, and Memo is a short form of my other name, Chepkemoi. So when I'm in the village, they call me Memo. That's why I'm calling myself Chepkemoi. Yeah, and today we gonna cook. We gonna cook. We gonna cook. I know I don't know how to sing better, but I can sing. I can cook something. Yeah, so today we are going to cook all those ingredients. Just imagine, guys. And over here, allow me rant. Today I bought these crepes, and all I can say is that never cheat on anyone. Never cheat on anything that you usually eat. So this is not the brand that I usually take. I usually take Tropicals, and I decided to cheat because it was in an offer and it tastes bad. Yeah. And I bought some milk, a lot of milk. So these two are fresher. I love fresher, but they are kind of a bit expensive compared to Daima. But fresher is whole milk, and they're both whole milk, but this one I find them 3.5% butter fat. This one is 3.3. I think this is where the difference comes from. But anyway, thank you guys for the support that you've shown me in my videos. I really appreciate so much the support that you've shown me. We are in a road to 1,000 subscribers, and so far so good. Yeah, let's start our cooking. We're gonna start. Yeah, so I forgot to get another ingredient. So yeah, I'm gonna get this oil over there. So I think I'll just place you here. I want a place that you can see what I'm doing peacefully without a lot of distractions, and this is a good place. So we're going to start cooking the chicken. So I want to marinate it first, and I'm marinating it with all these spices that you can see here. So this is ginger. It's almost over. I don't know if I can get, oh my goodness, it's over. I can get a little bit of it. It's over. Sorry everyone. The reason I've sneezed is because this ginger got into my nostrils. I'm sorry. Little bit salt. Yeah, I don't want to over salt it because I think my ancestors usually doesn't do me good justice. Chicken masala. Yeah. And paprika is good spice also. Yeah, it's a kind of a spice that it should not miss in your food. Yeah. Also curry. This I'm gonna use it all because it's almost over. Yeah, so This is it with curry. I've used it for so long. Then this MSG. MSG, you doesn't taste it in your food, but somehow it gives your food certain flavor. Yeah, so I'm going in with a little, like a pinch of it, just small. Then Royco. I'm wanna be generous about it also. Yeah. Then this is my chicken. I believe it's clean. It was thoroughly washed. Yeah, so I'll just pat it dry a little bit. Just small patting. I'm gonna pat it. This is the knife, so I'm gonna make it just dry. I don't want to wash it because if I wash it, it will make it dry. It will make it wet, and I don't want it wet. Yeah, so it's actually clean because I bought it in a big supermarket which maintain good hygiene. For this, I'm going to add a little bit oil to make the marinade come together. Just a little. This is what you get. So you stir these around each other. This way. I have very few spice, but this will do. This will do the work that it's supposed to do. Yeah. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Small pieces for the marinade to actually go inside. Then I'm going to put these straight into the air fryer, my friend. Yeah, so more oil, a little bit. I feel this is okay. I don't have gloves, so I'm gonna do what I do. Yeah, so I'm going to put these around here, this way. And make sure that I'm gentle over it. Really gentle. Make sure that all these spices get inside. This is so big, so big. Yeah, so this is what we get after our marinade. This is what we get. Look at that, so yummy. Yeah, so we are going to put these into the air fryer. Yeah, and today I'm going to do it totally different. I'm doing it totally different. So let me throw this one away. I'm going to put this here. Then I tie it. Let me show you what I'm going to do next. This is pure cooking. This is what we have now. This is what we have, and it's going into the air fryer. Straight to the air fryer. It's because I don't know how to use an oven, but that could have been the best. Yeah, so I'm going to cut this, then put it here, then we put it all into the air fryer. So let's do it. Let me wash it first, guys. Off the camera, I'm washing it. So this is it. I've already washed it. So let me peel these extra parts, the parts that I don't need. Yeah, then this one will go in this way. This is gonna be very, very delicious, guys. Some should go down here. I don't know the essence of doing this, but I've seen people doing it, and I believe it will give me the best results. Yeah, so that is it. So let's take our air fryer out. Guys, this is, oh, I haven't shown you. Sorry, I'm just shooting myself as I do all this. Let me show you a little bit. We are here. This is the air fryer. This is the air fryer, and I want to turn it on. I've already plugged in, so I want to just turn it on. Then we do what we call turn it on. Mode, we preheat, then we preheat. We're going to preheat it for 3 minutes at 200. Yeah, that's it. So meanwhile, let's do step 2. We're gonna work on our this is amazing kitchen life. Yeah, so while that one is cooking, we're gonna prepare our greens. Yeah, so I'm washing these for the greens. This is the onion that I'm gonna use for the greens. Let this go aside. We're gonna prepare the greens so fast because I'm super hungry. Yeah, so come here, we cut the onions. Come here, we prepare the onions. Yeah. Today is an amazing day. Proper eating. Big day for me. Yeah, I'm shooting myself. I don't have a cameraman, but it's okay either. Yeah, it's okay. I'll light the fire in a few minutes. I can't wait for this meal to be ready. Can imagine. Today is a big day, big eating. Come here as I light this fire, as I show you everything. The air fryer is at 2 minutes, so let's light this one up. That's it. Today we're having an amazing meal. When I say meal, amazing one, I mean the best. So that's enough oil over there. I don't want to put a lot of oil, so we wait for all this to be ready. Yeah, we wait for all those to be ready. It won't take a lot of time, but we'll get there. Our air fryer has already preheated, so you just go in. This is it. Then I'm going to put this one this way. Yeah. Then we're gonna start going for chicken. Start. This will take us 20 minutes for it to be done. 20 minutes at 180 degrees. So let's wait for that to be done. I'll come and check it at 10 minutes and see how far it's gone. Yeah, meanwhile, let's go back here. Here we are preparing our greens, our super greens. I want it hot. This is how our onions looks like. So it's time to go in with our greens. These are green from the local Mama Mboga. I just bought them outside our shop, outside where we live. Pure greatness, pure greatness. This one we call terere. I don't know, this one is, oh. You're gonna let this to simmer for a while, then you're back. You're gonna let that to simmer for a while, then you're back. Meanwhile, this one is already at 18 minutes. Let's peep and see how it's going. We pause, then peep. Not bad. We proceed. It's not advisable for you to keep peeping, but for me, because I think I get anxiety at all corners, so I prefer peeping at it, but it's not advisable. Yeah, so our greens are right here. Let's see how they are doing. Oh my goodness, it's hot. They're doing so well. I love the outcome. I love how it's doing. I love this. Look at that, guys. I really love this. I'm going to add some milk here. Just a little bit milk to make it creamy. Then some Royco for the flavor. This is the Royco for the flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of it. Yeah. We proceed with the work. This is how it's turning out to be. Best food in Kenya. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, I'm making the best food. I'm making the best. Let me taste. It's not bad, but it's not ready. So I'm gonna add some water still and let it boil in low heat. I've added a little water and let it boil in low temperature. I have decided to prepare ugali, and my ugali water is already boiling. So let's go in with the flour. I'm gonna use the remaining flour first. This is the one that I still had. Yeah. I need to get a... Oh my goodness. The mwiko that I have here, what is the best one? So let me wash it real quick. Real quick, my guy. Real quick, my... I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Everything is on a hurry to cook. Oh my goodness. hope it will not eat me while I'm cooking. Oh my goodness, it's pouring down. And I think I've prepared a big ugali. Anyway, I'm just a big girl. This will be so more than enough for me. More than enough for me, guys. Let me add the last batch. That's enough. Yeah, I wanna use the fire. Making ugali in the city is so easy. Because the kind of unga flour that we use is so pure white. Yeah, so actually my ugali is almost ready. It's super almost ready. Because also I don't want a hard ugali. So it's turning small this way. You see, it's almost ready, magic. On the other end also we are almost, yeah, so this one I'm just gonna reduce this fire and let it cook slowly. Yeah, I'll let it cook slowly on its own until it clears the water. Over here our chicken is almost ready, remaining only 1 minute. Remaining 1 minute, then we're gonna see our magics. You see the work that we did. If we messed up or we did amazing. Yeah, so we are yet to see the magics. We are yet to see the magics. But one thing is that I believe, oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. Let's see the magics. Let's see the magics. This is it. You can't see. Can you see here? You can see it. Yeah, so it's called the moment of truth. Until you get it, it's in here. Did it really cook? Not really. It didn't cook. It's so hard. No, it cooked. It will get something. It didn't cook at all. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back. This time around, I'm not closing it. Some parts right, some didn't. But it's so juicy the way I wanted it to be. I wanted it to retain its moisture, but now it didn't cook all through. So I'm gonna return it back for a few minutes, then get it outside again. Yeah, so I'm using this. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, guys. Sorry. I'm saying my chicken didn't cook the way I wanted it to be. So I'm returning it to the fire for 4 minutes. I think I'm gonna do more 20 minutes. More minutes. It's still raw. Totally raw. Yeah, I'm doing it for 30 minutes. It's totally raw. I did it wrong. But you know, we keep on learning, trying, and experimenting on these skills. So we're gonna leave it for check up on our ugali. Our ugali is taking shape. Not bad. This is something that I want. I'm going to disappoint myself in. Because if I disappoint myself in making ugali, which other dishes will I do best? You know? So ugali is doing amazing, so I'll let it still cook for a while. It's doing good. Yeah, so everything is still gonna wait for 4 more minutes. Yeah, over there we still wait it for 4. I've kept it for like 30 minutes because I want it sweeter. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Let's wait for food. I'll update you when the food is super ready and on the table. Yeah, I know you're watching up to this far. I really appreciate your support and guys, I did a mistake. I forgot about my ugali and it burned, but not too much. This is still edible. Yeah. Yeah. It's still edible. I totally forgot about it. I totally forgot about it. Over here, my chicken is still cooking with a bit disappointments here and there, but that's what it's looking like. I think I can be a good chef. Yeah. So let me pen white. Guys, this is the final look of my food. Ugali, I did a mistake. So but the chicken is the best of it all. Look at that. Look at that. It's the best. It's the best. So allow me enjoy my food.